Okay, gonna shoot a quick little video just for Al regarding these LiPo voltage alarms. It's got a bunch of pins on it, but they're only needed when you're dealing with a multi-cell battery. So this is a 3300 3-cell, so it's gonna have 4 wires on what's called the balance plug here. So if you hold that plug to where see the little shiny faces are facing me, that puts the black wire here as negative, is on the left. And then this is marked, the negative pin is the farthest one here on the right. So if I turn it and face it to me, now its negative pin is also on the left. So if I just go ahead and I plug it in here, it's going to start beeping. It's going to tell me that's my total pack voltage was 11.4. And then it's going to toggle through each of my 3 cell voltages. So again, 11.4, 379, 381, 384. So I like to leave batteries in storage somewhere between 3.7 and 3.8. Anywhere in there is fine. So this battery is fine to leave in not being used. If I was seeing 4.2 volts a cell, I'd want to discharge it before I let it sit, or the battery will deteriorate. So the other feature these have, you see there's 2 little horns here and there's a little button right there. If I poke that, it's going to show 370 is the voltage I have it set to alarm at. And then it's going to go back through toggling through the various voltages, the various cells. If I poke, come on now. I'm not getting it to respond. Now unplug it and plug it back in again. So if I poke that switch, I should be able to get, now I can go 3.7, 3.8 off, 2.7. I'm going to go back up to 3.7. And that's the voltage at which this alarm will go off. So if I were to plug this into an airplane right now and throttle it up and put it under load, these cells are going to drop because of the load down to 3.7 pretty quickly. And that beep that you hear when you first plug the battery alarm in will start going off constantly to deet, 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 deet. And that lets me know that if I'm down to 3.7 under load, I'm probably right around 3.8 when the battery's at rest, which is where I like to stop flying them. So I just leave this in the airplane right like it is, and when I start hearing it beep, I know I can fly, a couple of circuits around the pattern and come in and land it and end up with the battery voltage where I want it. So I just leave these plugged in right like that in the battery compartment of the airplane when I fly. And when I'm done, I just unplug it. So that's an easy way to give you an idea of the state of charge of one of these batteries.